You know what is 1 into 25? 25 it is. 10 into 25, 250. Or 25 into 25, well, that's easy too. 625, 25 squared, we all know that. But then, let's say you have to multiply a number like 64 with 25. 64 times 25, how about that? Most likely, you will end up doing this on a paper. But that's not really needed. In this video today, we are going to learn how do we multiply any given number with 25 in a jiffy without putting pen on paper. Now, how do you do this? Very simple. Just take 25 as 100 upon 4, 100 divided by 4, right? 100 by 4 is equal to 25. Now, when you have to multiply a number with 25, replace that 25 with 100 by 4 and see how your life becomes easy. Let's say we have to multiply 20 with 25. 20 with 25. Now we know that 20 with multiplied by 25 is 500, but do it in this fashion, right? 20 into 100 by 4. We are replacing 25 with 100 by 4. So 20 into 100 by 4 is like 20 by 4, which is 5 into 100, 500. You're getting it? You divide by 4 and then multiply by 100, right? Like how we had learned in case of 5. Multiplication with 5 is simple. Divide by 2 and multiply by 10. Multiplication with 25 is actually squared of that. So you divide by 2 twice, which means you divide by 4. You multiply by 10 twice, which means you multiply by 100. So divide by 4 and multiply by 100 are the two steps, two very simple steps that you need to perform. Let's quickly take a few examples. 64 into 25, that's what we are looking at, right? 64 upon 4 is 16. 64 by 4 is 16. Into 100 is a no-brainer. 1600 is the answer. 72 into 25 should be 1800. Now these are, by the way, numbers which are divisible by 4, so it's easy to do. But how if the number is not divisible by 4, not exactly divisible by 4? You'll have to deal with it. Let's say 50 by 50 into 25. Now 50 by 4 is 12.5. It's a decimal. How does it matter? 12.5 into 100, 1250 is the answer. Let's say 41 by or 41 into 25. Now here 41 has to be divided by 4. What is 41 by 4? 10.25. It's again easy to do, right? Don't look at 41 as 41. Take it as 40 and 1. So 40 by 4 is 10. 1 by 4 is 0.25. You merge these two, you get 10.25. Anyway, we'll discuss more in detail about this particular technique in some other video, but the point is multiplication of 25 is just two steps, by 4 into 100. So 41 by 4 is 10.25 into 100 is 1025. Let's say 123 into 25. Now that seems complicated, right? But 123 by 4 should be 30.75, and the answer hence would be 3075. That's about it. And like I always say, I have not learned these values by heart. I am doing it right here. And if I can do it, I'm sure you guys can do it too. Just practice a little more. And yes, do take very good care of yourselves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to the channel and keep posting your comments in the section down here so that I can produce more relevant videos for all of you. Bye.